Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to wear Seleng. Seleng is our Kirby traditional dress which the Kirby ladies wear during their marriage ceremony and also some special occasion. So I will be showing you step by step how to wear Seleng. I made this video because someone requested me. She comments me to show this how to wear Seleng. So today I'm going to show you. If you like the dress Seleng, then you can see more of its style created with this simple Seleng peacocks. So if you want to see the different styles of Seleng, then you can check in my other videos that I will give in the description. So friends, let's see. First step, you have to wear the blouse. Then after wearing the blouse, you have to wear pini. In the second step, you have to wear pini. This is how we wear pini. And then the third step, you have to tie vamkok. This rope is called vamkok, which we tie it in our waist to let the pini stay. Arrange your pini. If you want to expose your stomach, you fold it. If you don't want, then leave it like that. So this way. Then fourth step, this is how we wear the Seleng. You see it carefully. This is a long cloth, so keep the front part as normal peacock, and then the other hand side you have to arrange it in a plate. You have to arrange the Seleng into a beautiful plate and then take it from under to the opposite side and place it in your shoulder. This way. You have to pin it. You can just leave it like that, or you can carry it this way. You fix a bruise pin. This is final looks with necklace and earrings. And this is just simple. Or you can carry the back from the back side to front this way. This is the final look. I hope you all liked it, guys. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of its style, you can go to the previous video I will be giving in the description. So thank you for watching.